Have you ever experienced a situation where your heart and mind don't agree? Do you find it hard whether to follow your heart or your mind? Don't worry, you are not alone in this kind of situation. The phrase, when the heart says yes but the mind says no, is a common human experience that describes the eternal conflict between emotions and rational thought. In this kind of dilemma, we often desire something driven by our emotions, but we realize that in doing so may not be our wisest choice. Therefore, when the heart says yes but the mind says no, which should you follow? According to a study, the heart and the mind plays distinct yet interconnected roles in decision making. The heart focuses on emotions, intuition, and values, while the mind focuses on logic, analysis, and consequences. Now, the heart and mind do not typically disagree, but when they do, which is worth following? Now, when we follow our heart, we are being sensitive, we are being cautious of our words or actions. When we follow our minds, we are being rational, we are being logical with our decision making. So with that in mind, I believe that we humans should always listen to our logical thinking rather than our emotions. Emotions are also important in decision making, but when making big or important decisions, I will always listen to logic rather than emotions because I don't want to make an impulse decision that I will regret in the future. Now, to sum it all up, the heart and mind works together whenever we make a decision. But when they disagree with each other, I will always follow my mind. A quote given to me by my father states, "Never make an important decision when emotions are high." Now, personally, this is a principle that I live by or follow, and I intend to share this with all of you. Now, in life, we can never really avoid having a disagreement between our heart and our mind. It is up for us to decide whether to follow our heart or our mind. But at the end of the day, logic beats emotion. With that, I shall ask you one last time. When the heart says yes, but the mind says no, which will you follow? I am David James B. Flores, and that is my persuasive speech. Thank you for listening.